Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the image zoom settings on your Shopify store to enhance the visual experience for your customers. First, open your web browser and log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand navigation menu, click Online Store, then click Customize. This opens your theme editor where you can tweak your store's design. Next, navigate to the homepage, then go to the Product section and select Default Product. Click directly on the product image to reveal more settings and look for the option labeled Open Lightbox. Here, you can choose No Zoom to disable automatic zooming on your product images. This ensures your images display at a fixed resolution, which is great if your photos are already detailed or if zooming interferes with your layout. Finally, click Save to apply your changes and make sure to check your live site to confirm everything looks perfect. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.